In this lesson, we're going to learn a cool 2-5-1 in the key of C major. It's going to sound like this. What I want to really focus in on is the chords, because you can do any rhythm you want. You'll notice that I'm playing finger style for this one, so I'm just using my fingers and no pick. But you can also use a pick. You could also strum these. It doesn't matter what rhythm you play, but get the chords down, and I'll show you a couple of variations with the rhythm. So the first chord here is a D minor 9. And this chord is my second finger's on the 5th string, 5th fret, and then my third finger is over here on the 4th string, 3rd fret, and then my third finger's on the 3rd string, 5th fret, and my pinky is right underneath that on the 2nd string, 5th fret. And that's it. We're just going to hit those inner strings, so 5, 4, 3, and 2. And with my right hand, my thumb is on the 5th string, my index is on the 4th string, my middle finger is on the 3rd, and then my ring finger is on the 2nd. And you can just do a pinch. And it's going to get 2 beats, so 3, 4, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. On beat 3, you're switching to another chord. This is G13. This finger is first finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. I'm skipping the 5th string, and actually what's happening is my first finger here is going to just slightly droop down and mute out that particular string. Then my second finger is on the 4th string, 3rd fret. My third finger is on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and then my pinky is on the 2nd string, 5th fret. And for this one, now my thumb is moved to the 6th string, my index is on the 4th, my middle is on the 3rd, and now my ring finger is on the 2nd string. And I'm just gonna pinch those on beat 3 and 4, so 3, 4, and then you get to the last chord, which is your C major 7. But let's do the first measure first, D minor 9 to G13, 3, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then next measure is C major 7. So the C major 7 is my first finger's on the 5th string, 3rd fret. My third finger's on the 4th string, 5th fret. My second finger's on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and then my pinky is on the 2nd string, 5th fret. And there's your C major 7. And even though I can bar this with my first finger, I'm not playing the first string with this example. I'm just playing strings 5, 4, 3, and 2 on this one. And that would get a whole measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we go back and do all 3 chords, ready, and so it's D minor 9, 2, G13, and a whole measure is C major 7, 2, 3, again, and now you might have noticed that all 3 of the chords have your pinky on the 2nd string, 5th fret. So it doesn't have to move at all from the D minor 9 to the G13 and to the C major 7. So get it down with these chords, get it memorized, and just that simple rhythm with half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But then you can add some variety with the right hand and change the rhythm up a little bit, like this. 3, I don't want to get into all that I was doing for this particular lesson with the right hand, but just know that once you get these chords down, you can change it up and have fun with it and just break up the rhythm a little bit. Instead of a block chord, just more arpeggios. You could do more of a bass strum. Or you could even do like a little walking bass. What's cool about this is once you get it down in the key of C, you can transpose it to any key you want. So for example, when you take your first chord D minor 9, just slide it up 2 frets, you have E minor 9. The next chord, instead of G13, slide it up 2 frets to the 5th fret, you got A13, and then the next chord is D major 7. Instead of C major 7, you got D major 7. So now you got the same lick, 2-5-1 in the key of D. All right, so that's going to do it for this lesson, and we'll see you next time.